Epic Showdown. Iguana versus Monitor Lizard. On an isolated island, the rocky shores see an incredible clash. The iguana's rapid tail whips ignite panic, elegantly dodging the monitor's crushing jaws. However, things take a turn as the monitor lizard charges with unstoppable power. Its sheer strength overcomes, pinning the iguana down in a surprising twist. This epic struggle leaves one to wonder. Could the iguana have prevailed with a different tactic? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And for more thrilling animal battles, like and subscribe.